All right, welcome to page 25. For this worksheet, we're going to start by drawing two lines. And then we're going to put 3 here and 4 on this line. Put a comma. All right. The word find the least common multiple. What does the word multiple mean? It, it means multiplication. So in essence, we're going to go 3 times 1. Answer is 3. What's 3 times 2? 6. What's 3 times 3? 9. What's 3 times 4? 12. Our goal is to have about 10 numbers in total. That should have us in the right area. I'm also going to show you a shortcut. If you go 3 plus 3, that will give you your second number. Plus 3, 9. And if you just hit equals from here on out, it's going to continue adding 3 to our answer. So then we have 12, then we have 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. We're going to do the same process for number 4. Once you have a big long list of numbers to choose from, your now goal is to find the least common multiple. So we're looking for a number that they have in common, and if you notice, they probably have many numbers in common. We want the small number that they have in common, which here it is 12. Okay, let's try number 2. Let's first start by drawing our 2 lines. Let's put our numbers in their spots on their lines. Let's start with the top row. 5, oops, 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 5 plus 5 And you know what? I've done all of this work and I have just spotted our least common multiple without even needing to do the second line. It can't get any smaller than that. 10. Good job. All right, number 3. Let's start by adding our 2 lines. Let's put our numbers onto their lines. And now let's start with our top row. 9 plus 9, which is 18 plus 9. All right, we have our first row done. I have messed up. That is supposed to be a 7. If you caught that, good catch. I think I was hung up on question number 2. All right, for this row here, for number 7, let's start by going 7 plus 7. Whoops. 21. All right. From here, we're looking for a number that they have in common, and it better be the number that's the lowest. Sometimes, here's what I do. I'll start with this top row, and I'll ask myself, are there any 9s? Nope. Are there any 18s? Nope. 27? Nope. 36? Nope. Is there a 45? Nope. Is there a 54? Nope. Is there a 63? There is. And that will be your least common multiple. All right, let's give number 4 a try. Let's put our numbers onto their lines. Top row is 12 plus 12, 24. All right, let's give the top a break. Let's go to the bottom row. And just like that, I've already found the least common multiple. It can't get any smaller than that, folks. All right, here is your assignment. Your assignment is to finish the rest of this work page. Questions number 5 all the way down to question number 10. All right, I got faith in you. Good luck. I'll see you on page number 26.